First of all, fuck all black secret society women. With all due respect, you betrayed me and you set me up to die. If you're a real Ubo, you don't marry a secret society woman. If you do and you're in my family, please don't bring her around me. No offense. Next order of business. No gays, feminists, atheists, agnostics, communists, liberals, Democrats, Satanists, eugenicists, social Darwinists, scientific racists, biodemographers, the things I talk about over and over again, hoping somewhere, somehow, one of these videos will reach the right person and he'll do something. Wait, I am the right person. I am doing something and this is part of it. Okay, in that case, we can get back a little bit and say, who cares if they won the battle? Oh, we had the prince on his knees with his hands up, Nigga, I'm a real nigga. Just because I didn't have my flag moment, nigga. I ain't playing with you niggas. You understand me, nigga? I could have made my little move to Long Beach or Compton and been back here with some real niggas in your grill. You understand me, Rothschild? No, I'm just kidding. I'm not even talking to Rothschild. I'm talking to whoever put me in this program thinking this all cool. Whatever pink-faced, smug, little rat bastard, whoever they may be. Whatever white supremacist Confederate devil or whoever it may be, whatever Yao Ming looking mini-me, Let me tell you something about transferable skills. I got it, you don't. But next thing. But honestly though, seriously though, all jokes aside, even if you believe that you're better mind, body, and soul, it's not good to rub it in. All jokes aside. The only reason I do it is because they give me a hard time and I'm firing back. That's all that is. And it's not immature as you think it is. It's actually warfare. They're using psychological war. And I figure I'm very smart and poetic. And that's all that is. It's sad. And if you think that I'm better drugged, think again. Let me tell you how I feel in the last 20 seconds. Well, I feel a little bit smug because I just got out of the shower before this. Because I was trying to get that little natural glow. As opposed to a pale, sickly guy who drank a bunch of Modelo's and smoked some weed and took 2 big pills of Depakote. And so I feel like a little tiny bit of like this, this happy euphoric feeling. I don't like it though. It's this unnatural, drugged kind of cocaine kind of thing. I feel literally like someone who's forced to take cocaine, and I'm dying mind, body, and soul, and my life hasn't improved any bit. In fact, I almost went to LA, and I was pretty angry, and like usual, nothing really changed, but I'm drugged up and empty. My reservations are reduced, and my inhibitions are reduced, as I've always said. And my ability to do martial arts is greatly reduced. When I try to key up, I don't feel it. I feel the spirit and the energy flowing. It's some kind of sick alchemy. I think it's disgusting. I think they're cheaters. I don't care what these cheating-ass, poison, pushing apeps have to say. It ruins your life. So yes, the most important message, if nothing else, for the kids specifically, is don't take psych meds under any conditions. Thank you.